Okay, I've got on the board here, or on the table, a CT Sounds 3K and a Scar Audio SK4500. This is the other CT chassis amp that has a problem with vibration, and I've already done a little video on the 7K, but I wanted to show this amp because this amp is the 2200, the 3K and the 4K all suffer this problem. They're all in this same chassis. The other amp that's in this chassis is, well, there's two other ones. There's a 60x4, 60x4, 500x1, and then the 125x4. I know the 125x4 doesn't have this problem, but I don't know about the 5-channel. So anyway, I'm going to show the difference between these two amps and outline what the problem is. If you'll notice, if you can see down in this board, there is a hole right here, and if you look over on this board, there's a screw where that hole is, and you can't see it, but down in between these caps there's a hole, and you look over here, and of course there's a hole with a screw in it, and then you come over here and there's another screw, and you come over here and there's another empty hole. Now what happens is, when this board is subjected to any kind of vibration, which obviously we're a bunch of bass heads, we make a lot of vibrations. So when you have this amp inside your vehicle or on an amp rack that vibrates, what we're seeing happening is that the FETs are breaking, the legs are breaking right where they solder at the board, and these amps are coming apart. If you look here, when you press on this board, you don't see any movement whatever. And again, come back over here, you got a lot of flex. Now I've pointed this out to Coleman Thedinger, and his response was to challenge whether or not I had an engineering degree. Obviously that's a lot easier to do than actually face up to the fact that you have a manufacturing defect with an amplifier. He's also already tried to abuse the law and get my video taken down of the 7K, so I assume that he may try to do this one too. I don't really care. I just think it's pretty unethical and chicken shit, to be honest, that instead of facing this problem that he's got with a lot of amplifiers, this is the action that he's taken, is just to ignore it. So anyway, I just wanted to put this video up because I had already done the 7K chassis, and this one covers pretty much the rest of the monoblocks that are a problem. If you have a CT Sounds amp that's white, the AT chassis, that'd be the 1400 and down, those amps are good. The little M750 amps, they're good. But these guys here, they're trouble. So if you have one, just make sure you keep it in a place that it doesn't get any vibration, and you should be good with it. Thank you.